Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel but worried that the platform is already too saturated? Don't be. Well, we have some good news for you. The reason why Faceless YouTube channels are not oversaturated might not be what you think. Get ready to discover the untold secrets of some of the most successful Faceless channels on YouTube. We'll take a deep dive into how these channels have reinvented their niches to attract and grow their audiences. But that's not all. We'll also uncover what the YouTube algorithm really rewards in today's fast-paced world and show you how to use it to your advantage, even if your Faceless channel is brand new. So sit tight and get ready to learn the insider tips and tricks that will set your channel apart and help you succeed in the world of YouTube. 1. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it's an incredible opportunity to put your content in front of a huge number of people. For instance, even crowded niches are a sign that there is a real demand for that content. Instead of shying away from them, use it as an opportunity to create high-quality content and stand out among the competition. Sure, here's a Faceless channel doing great in a crowded niche. Tasty. Tasty is a Faceless food channel that has amassed over 50 million subscribers, making it one of the most popular channels on YouTube. Despite the fact that the food niche on YouTube is extremely crowded, Tasty has found a way to stand out by creating short, visually appealing recipe videos that are easy to follow. So don't let the fear of saturation hold you back. With such a massive and diverse audience, there's room for everyone on YouTube. 2. Quality content is rewarded by the algorithm, regardless of a channel's age, providing new creators with a chance to grow their channels. Look at channels like Kurzgesagt in a nutshell and How to Basic. Kurzgesagt is an animation channel that creates videos explaining scientific concepts in an easy-to-understand and engaging way. Despite being relatively new to YouTube, with their channel only created in 2013, their high-quality content has allowed them to grow rapidly, with over 15 million subscribers to date. On YouTube, viewer satisfaction is paramount, and how long a channel has been on the platform is not as important as the quality of content being produced. The platform is constantly changing, and creators who prioritize their audience's needs and preferences are the ones who thrive. By consistently creating engaging and valuable content, new creators can quickly gain traction and grow their channels, even if they haven't been on the platform for a long time. The key is to put the audience first, keep up with the latest trends and features, and always strive to improve the viewer experience. 3. YouTube is constantly evolving and introducing new features to help Faceless channels creators succeed. YouTube is always coming up with new features to help creators grow their channels and reach new audiences. One such feature is YouTube Shorts, which allows creators to create short-form vertical videos similar to TikTok. This feature presents an excellent opportunity for new Faceless channel creators to grow their channels on an emerging platform. One such channel is Tempo Not Timelapse, a channel that produces time-lapse videos of the night sky and other beautiful landscapes. Since Shorts' launch, Tempo Not Timelapse has been able to quickly grow its audience, gaining tens of thousands of subscribers in just a few months. YouTube Shorts can be a game changer for Faceless channels looking to grow their audience quickly. Although not all niches may benefit equally from this feature, it can still be an effective way to gain visibility and traction on the platform. And even if it doesn't result in spectacular growth, Shorts can still be valuable in reaching a new generation of YouTube users who are more familiar with short-form video content. Whether you're a new or established creator, it's always worth exploring new features and tools that can help you engage with your audience and reach new viewers. 4. Consistency and persistence are key to growing a successful YouTube channel. Building a loyal following takes time and effort, but by consistently producing high-quality content, engaging with their audience, and staying up to date on the latest trends and features, new creators can achieve success over time. Consistency and persistence are vital for new creators looking to grow their Faceless channels on YouTube. For instance, one successful Faceless channel that has implemented this strategy is The Infographics Show. They consistently produce high-quality content on various topics such as science, history, and politics, engaging with their audience through informative and entertaining videos. Additionally, they frequently collaborate with other channels and stay in the loop with the latest trends and features on the platform. By following their example and putting in the necessary effort and time, new creators can also achieve success on the platform. Do you know now why YouTube continues to be a viable platform with room for new content Faceless channels? Hit that subscribe button now. We'll keep you updated with all the latest on YouTube automation.